Hi guys, this is Mark Shawson, the Pattern Trader. I'm just about to jet into the live sessions of the Master Pattern Trader. These are live sessions that I conduct each Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll include a little bit more information at the end of this video. Just want to give a shout out to Eric who wrote me an email yesterday. I'm just going to read to you what Eric had to say. So he says, thanks to your recommendations, I'm banking some good coin on the huge Forex moves going on. I've never had all 6 positions move positive at the same time. Eric included a screenshot of his account, which we'll put up there. I joined the Pattern Trader Elite program as of yesterday, and I think it will be time and money well spent. I look forward to being your best student. I have a lot of bad habits from 15 years of trading in self-directed IRA and 401k programs. The good news is that I've mastered my emotions and I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And I've seen what emotions can do to a trading account, and it's not pretty. Kind regards, Eric. So Eric, good on you, and great start. So looking forward to having you part of the Elite program, and I'm glad that you kicked it off with a bang, and you continue the good progress. For the last 2 months on these sessions, I've been talking about a number of setups, which I've attached some screenshots alongside this video. And I've been a staunch advocate of the short side of Tesla, the automobile maker, the ticker symbol TSLA. I started shorting the stock above 300, around the $291 area. And the stock today is trading in the market at $242, $50 to $60 lower than where I started advocating getting short a month or 2 ago. Also, I've been very, very bullish on the stock of Facebook. It put on a very prominent double bottom price pattern at the $125 in the December-January timeframe. To me, that put in a footing, a foundation, and each week I've been advocating to our members on the Master Pattern Trader sessions to get long Facebook. I started getting long at 158, 169, and this stock shot over $200 just yesterday. Also, I've been sitting long in Apple after Apple formed a bullish double bottom and cup and handle price formation back in January. Started buying the stock at $158, and it is also trading over $200. Likewise, I've also been very bearish gold for many reasons. I believe gold has penetrated the underside of a long-term symmetrical triangle, and so I started shorting gold at $1,311. I recommended partially offsetting positions around 1272, so banged out about 390 pips on the short side of gold. So I've been just knocking it out of the park in these quiet, unremarkable trading conditions. I've quietly made personally over $500,000 in the last 6 weeks or so. So this is kind of what I advocate, identifying price patterns that will lead to certain direction, certain outcome, and then just being patient while these trades develop. So I talk about all of these concepts and what I'm looking at in my Master Pattern Trader session. So I'll have my team attach a link so that you can check it out. Again, these sessions are live each Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hope to see a lot of you there. Until next time, I hope you have a healthy and prosperous trading day.